ADAM 14th. Dude, let the 10-day chill out with it. Don't buy these random, updates on a momentum stock. You're gonna blow up. Stop doing it. This is not a good setup. Let the range develop. Let the 10-day come, catch up. Like I said before, if you can't draw a triangle, there's no setup. There's no setup. Now it would be, something. Maybe for tomorrow, right? Now it's built some range. Found support on a rising 10, and ideal if we can go sideways a few more days.
And then I look at the numbers in MarketSmith. Like where I get these numbers, I look at like /62. That means they lost money, but they're growing their revenues by 62% year over year in the last quarter. I'll show you here. So here, that's where I got the /62. Now, if the number here, if this 113 would have been here instead, the number here would be 113/62. And these numbers I get from the fly on the wall. I'll show you. So I use two new services, briefing.com and the fly on the wall. So where is the earnings? Let's see here. What was the earnings date? 2nd of August. So it's here. So here is where I got those numbers from reports. Q2 EPS -6 cents, consensus -8, blah blah blah, and raises revenue, blah blah blah. This is where I got this from. And I also use briefing because sometimes they don't show up in the fly on the wall. So briefing is sometimes better. But I don't like the reporting format of briefing, so I try to use. So this is briefing.com. So I pay for both of these services, and I use them 95% is the earnings I use them for. Well, I'm combining, like I'm scanning for strong stocks, strong momentum stocks, and then I look up the numbers very quickly, like the analyst estimates, stuff like that in MarketSmith. Because the best ones that work best for me over the years are stocks that have big estimates. Like look at something like Shopify, like big growth and big estimates, like this thing. Look at the growth, huge revenue, huge EPS growth, and big estimates for this year, next year. And look at the move, the stock is gone up 15 times the past 3 years. So I like to combine fundamentals and momentum.
You can create a setup around anything, but to make tens of millions, you only need to focus on one setup and master that one setup. My job is to make you guys focus, not to jump from method to method, doing this, doing that. How do you know what setup? That's why you need to, like I say it on every stream, you need to spend a few thousand hours studying stocks, studying past moves, and see how they move. You can probably find 2, 3, 4 setups very easily. And then you only need to master one of them to make tens of millions. What's the name of the setup? The name of the setup, if you put in the work, you'll make tens of millions. That's the name of the setup.